Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Econominds. Today we are going to discuss the remaining question of SSB 2023 Economics question paper. In this part, we will discuss the macroeconomics. Question number 11. The bandwagon effect is associated with which of the following income hypothesis? Option A relative, option B permanent, option C absolute, option D life cycle. As we know, bandwagon effect means neighborhood effect, that is consumption of one affect the consumption of other, and this is related to relative income hypothesis, which shows that the consumption of one not affected by his income but affected by his neighbor's consumption. So the correct answer is option A, the relative income hypothesis. Question number 12. Which of the following increase the money multiplier in an economy? Option A, increase in cash reserve ratio. Option B, increase in the banking habit of the people. Option C, increase in the statutory liquidity ratio. Option D, increase in the population. Option A, the increase in cash reserve ratio. As you know, money multiplier formula is 1 by cash reserve ratio. If we increase cash reserve ratio, the value of money multiplier will decrease. So the option A is not correct. In option C, the increase in statutory liquidity ratio will also not increase money multiplier. Option D, increase in population does not make any sense in increasing money multiplier. So the option B, increase in the banking habit of the people will increase the money multiplier as the money will circulate among the people. So the correct answer is option B. Increase in banking habit of the people will increase the money multiplier in the economy. Question number 13. Fiscal policy is ineffective in option A, the upward rising portion of the LM curve, option B, the horizontal portion of the LM curve, option C, the vertical portion of the LM curve, option D, both the horizontal upward rising portion of the LM curve. This is the LM curve where this is the horizontal line and this is the vertical line of LM curve. In this horizontal line, the monetary policy is ineffective, but in the vertical line, fiscal policy is ineffective because as we increase the money supply in the economy, it will increase only interest rate, but it will not increase in income in the economy. So fiscal policy is ineffective in the vertical portion of LM curve. So the correct answer is option C, the vertical portion of LM curve, fiscal policy is ineffective. Question number 14. The components of reserve money includes. We know reserve money means high power money and it includes currency with public and bank reserves with central bank. So here the correct answer is option I, currency with public, and option IV, banks with reserve bank with central bank, which is in option C. So correct answer is option C. Question number 15. In Friedman's permanent income hypothesis, transitory income can be positive or negative because of option A, long-term changes in income, option B, temporary and unanticipated changes in current income, option C, income remaining unchanged, option D, long-term changes in relative prices. As you know, transitory income can come from windfall gain or windfall loss and it is uncertain in nature. So transitory income can be positive or negative due to temporary and unanticipated changes in current income. So here the correct answer is option B, temporary and unanticipated changes in current income leads to positive or negative in transitory income. Question number 16. The distinctive feature of the new classical model is that the aggregate supply and the labor supply schedule depends on option A, backward-looking nature of expectation of monetary and fiscal policy variable along with oil price and other supply-side factors. Option B, contemporaneous monetary and fiscal policy variable along with oil price and other supply-side factor. Option C, rational expectation of monetary and fiscal policy variable along with oil price and other supply-side factor. Option D, rigidity in the output and monetary policy. As you know, new classical model believes in rational expectation. So the correct answer will be rational expectation of the monetary policy and fiscal policy variable along with oil price and other supply side factors will be the correct answer. Question number 17. Here it is given that consider the following statement which are the correct or incorrect. Option A, RBI takes resources to open market operation to manage liquidity in the system. It is correct because it is right because to manage liquidity in the market, RBI use open market operation where securities are buy and sell in open market through RBI. Option 2, marginal cost of funds based lending rates has been introduced to improve transmission of policy rates into the lending rates of bank. It is also correct as it helps in lending policy. Option 3, marginal standing facility function as the last resort for banks to borrow short-term funds. It is also correct because RBI is the lender of last resort and it helps to in case of emergency. Option 4, non-monetary liability of the RBI from India's reserve money. Reserve money, as we know, it is hyper money and it only includes currency with public and bank reserve with RBI, but it not include non-monetary liability. So the option 4 is wrong. So the correct answer is option 1, 2 and 3. Here in option B, there is option 1 and 2 and 3. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 18. Who argued the Keynes theory equilibrium with involuntary unemployment is a special case of the general equilibrium model augmented to include money? Option D, the D. Pottinkin has criticized Keynes on the ground of involuntary unemployment. So the correct answer is option D, Pottinkin. Question number 19. If marginal propensity to consume MPC equal to average propensity to consume for all level of income, then the corresponding function will be option A, C equal to A plus BY, option B, C equal to BY, option C, C equal to BY square, option D, C equal to A plus BY square. In long run, we know that only MPC is equal to FPC, where the autonomous consumption is 0 and the consumption will be C equal to BY. So the correct answer is here C equal to BY, where autonomous consumption is 0 and FPC will be MPC. If we take in case of short term, it will be C equal to A plus BY. So here the question is about long run, that is MPC equal to FPC. So the correct answer here is option B, C equal to BY. Question number 20. Identify the correct chronological order of the following. Chronological order, here it is given that as we know here, fast consumption theory is Keynes consumption function, which is in 1936, and then relative income hypothesis, which is 1949, and then Friedman's permanent income hypothesis, which is 1950, and then life cycle hypothesis, which is 1957. So the correct chronological is A, then C, then D, then B, which is in option C, A, C, D, B. So the correct answer is option C. These are the 10 questions of microeconomics of SSB 23 economics question paper. In next part, we will discuss the next portion of the SSB 2023 economics question paper. Till then, take care, keep watching the videos, keep subscribing the channel Econominds. Thank you.